First add little water, turmeric, salt. Cleaned and washed prawns. Keep the lid and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I will show. Now cook until complete water is evaporated. Now let's start our curry with half tablespoon of jeera, 1 big tablespoon of dhania, half tablespoon of peppercorns, 8 green ilachi, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 12 cloves, pinch of shazira, quarter tablespoon of maize. Transfer this to a mixy jar. Add red chilies. After changing the color, transfer this to a mixy jar. Dry coconut powder, gasagasa. Off the flame. Transfer this also into a mixy jar. Completely cooling, blend into a fine powder. Oil. Now the oil is heat. Let's add finely chopped onions. Add green chilies. Fry until it is golden yellow color. Now this is 70% fried onion. So now let's add our ginger garlic paste. Let's add our prepared masala. Half tablespoon of salt and little water. Add our boiled prawns. Cook in low flame for 5 minutes. Let's serve.